A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development that could reshape the geopolitical landscape of the Middle East, the International Criminal Court, ICC, has issued arrest warrants for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and former Defense Minister Yoav Gallan, citing their involvement in alleged war crimes and crimes against humanity in Gaza. The court's chief prosecutor, Karim Khan, has been vocal about the need for accountability in the ongoing conflict that has claimed thousands of lives and drawn international condemnation. The warrants were issued on Thursday, marking a pivotal moment in the ICC's ongoing investigation into the conduct of both Israeli and Hamas leaders during the protracted conflict. This unprecedented action places Netanyahu and Gallan in a precarious position, as they now risk arrest if they travel to any of the court's 124 member nations, many of which are in Europe. The ICC's jurisdiction, however, does not extend to the United States, a staunch ally of Israel. The charges against Netanyahu and Gallan include accusations of using starvation as a weapon of war and intentionally targeting civilian populations. These allegations come as the death toll in Gaza continues to rise, with reports indicating that over 44,000 Palestinians have lost their lives since the onset of hostilities. The Israeli government, however, maintains that its military operations comply with international laws of war, asserting that its actions are necessary for national defense. In a swift response, Netanyahu's office dismissed the ICC's actions as absurd and false accusations, vowing to continue military operations in Gaza until all objectives are met. This defiance echoes a similar sentiment expressed by other leaders who have faced international scrutiny, including Russian President Vladimir Putin, who is also wanted by the ICC for his role in the Ukraine conflict. Meanwhile, the court also issued a warrant for the arrest of Mohammed Deif, the military chief of Hamas, who is accused of orchestrating various crimes against humanity, including murder, hostage-taking, and sexual violence. Although Israel claims to have killed Deif in an airstrike, the ICC has stated it cannot confirm his death, highlighting the complexities of the ongoing conflict and the challenges of ensuring accountability amidst the chaos. The issuance of these warrants has sparked mixed reactions across the region. Hamas officials celebrated the news, asserting that it reflects a growing international recognition of their plight, while Palestinians in Gaza expressed cautious optimism, hoping that this could signal a shift towards peace after more than a year of relentless warfare. As the situation unfolds, the implications of the ICC's actions extend beyond the immediate conflict. The arrest warrants could complicate diplomatic relations for Israel and may embolden calls for accountability from other nations and international organizations. The ongoing war against Hamas has already drawn significant global criticism, and the ICC's involvement may further escalate tensions between Israel and its critics. In a separate yet related development, Israeli prosecutors have indicted one of Netanyahu's aides for leaking classified information regarding Hamas, raising concerns about national security and the integrity of the Israeli government. Eliezer Feldstein, a media advisor, is accused of leaking a top-secret document that allegedly exposed Israeli intelligence capabilities, potentially endangering lives during a time of war. The indictment adds another layer of complexity to Netanyahu's already troubled political landscape, as he faces multiple legal challenges, including ongoing corruption trials that have dogged his leadership for years. Critics of Netanyahu have accused him of prioritizing his political survival over the safety and well-being of hostages held by Hamas, further complicating his position as he navigates both domestic and international pressures. As the international community watches closely, the situation in the Middle East remains fluid, with the potential for further developments that could impact the course of the conflict and the future of Israeli leadership. The ICC's actions serve as a reminder of the pressing need for accountability and justice in the face of ongoing violence, and the world will be watching to see how this unprecedented situation unfolds. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.